Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quiz Genius channel.
Spain is a land of history, art, and culture. Answer 50 questions to see how much you know about this beautiful country. So let's start.
What is the capital of Spain? Madrid. What is Spain's official language? Spanish. What currency is used in Spain? Euro. Which famous artist painted Guernica? Picasso. What is the national dish of Spain? Paella. What is the name of Spain's famous tomato-throwing festival? La Tomatina. Which city is famous for running of the bulls? Pamplona. What is Spain's largest island? Mallorca. What is the name of Spain's king as of 2025? Felipe VI. What mountain range separates Spain and France? Pyrenees. What is the most popular sport in Spain? Football. What sea borders Spain to the east? Mediterranean Sea. Which city is home to La Sagrada Familia? Barcelona. What are tapas? Small snacks. Which Spanish artist is known for surrealism? Dali. What is the traditional Spanish dance? Flamenco. What is the national animal of Spain? Bull. Which football club is based in Madrid? Real Madrid. What is Spain's second largest city? Barcelona. What is the famous wine region in Spain? Rioja. What is the name of the famous pilgrimage in Spain? Camino de Santiago. What's Spain's national day? October. What ocean borders Spain to the west? Atlantic Ocean. Which Spanish city hosts the Feria de Abril? Seville. What is the name of the Spanish parliament? Cortes Generales. What is the traditional cold tomato soup called? Gazpacho. What is Spain's highest mountain? Mount Teide. Where are the Canary Islands located? Atlantic Ocean. What famous park did Antoni Gaudí design in Barcelona? Park Güell. Which Spanish explorer first circumnavigated the globe? Magellan. What's the official religion of Spain? Roman Catholic. What color is the Spanish flag? Red and yellow. What are churros? Fried dough. What is the name of Spain's Prime Minister? 2025. Pedro Sanchez. What desert exists in Spain? Tabernas Desert. What's the oldest university in Spain? University of Salamanca. What is the main ingredient in paella? Rice. Which island group belongs to Spain? Both B and C. Who discovered America under the Spanish flag? Columbus. What's the traditional Spanish Christmas dessert? Turin. Which Spanish architect designed many Barcelona landmarks? Gaudi. What city is known for oranges in Spain? Valencia. What's the most famous Spanish festival in Pamplona? San Fermin. What language is spoken in Barcelona? Catalan and Spanish. What's the Spanish word for hello? Hola. What's the traditional Spanish omelet called? Tortilla española. What's the population of Spain, approximately? $48 million. What's the famous Spanish sparkling wine called? Cava. What is sangria? Wine punch. What is Spain's national motto? Plus ultra